kufuneka abe aware ngama-dynamics e-organization. Where do we come from? Kwakwenzakalani back in the days? And what is going on now? More than anything, in to withdraw a task team, a business investigation, and yet we have not received a presentation at the investigation officially. When I'm at least okay now, when I everything, I was saying to myself, if I forgot okay, say I don't think I saw any problem for now. I gave disband with team with a wins with a because we are now talking about operational things. And whether you can't say this doesn't work, this works. How do you get into a conclusion? My appointment, if there's an intelligence that you have that says unali manipulation, unali things, then you can justify and say, okay, well, before you continue now, I need brief food once there you here's what but the local stop operation on its track, investigation on its track, we stop it. It's going to have some implications. So that was my concern. We check it and pull me. And for me tomorrow, would be at the next trailer. Isn't being some officials because isn't some officials is a problem. Some officials of the order. It's such a decision now, but a decision of officials say decision some way 30 apply this mind on it.
Anje nalento ke sivela kanjena kwamina ngingakamtsheli yabona nje hey isiyahlupha ngoba
yena sifuna umtshela khona ubona ukuthi the reason why ufuna ukumbona into enjengana lezi
ngoba manje uyabona kwayena izogcina ifikile kushuthi lento ngoba sazi phela iseculator kanjani lento manje
izofika
and inegama lami phezulu mayesethi hawa usangitshela into esensitive kangaka
ila bese kufanele umtshele khona ukuthi ngithe mangabe ngifuna ukubona ngale ndaba le wathi wona sihlangana eCape Town so umtshela futhi bona ndifuna ukubona wathi sihlangana eCape Town. I was willing to drive in the winner because there are certain things that came to my attention. But when what was long in the Cape Town, so within the Cape Town.
Hey. Sengombona kusasa ngimtshele sengomkhombisa nayo lento esibhalwe kanje la. Ngaphela
esizana esayidini manje izinto.
Na isikhuluma yonke into lena as much as nawe kade uwonisha ama fight back nani kodwa leke ngathi kuya exaggerate.
That's what is going to stand up.
Ngoba yabona nje angikhumbuli uthi small boy. And manje into exakayo the real facts angwaboni lana yabona nje mekuthiwa mhlambe bekulalela ifoni amafoni ethu kufanele ngabe ubhalile la ukuthi akayiyeke lento mengabe clean noma me ukuthi akakaza athathe lutho kumuntu into ezikanjalo kufanele ngabe sibhaliwe la
exactly
mekuwukuthi lo muntu belalela amafoni
ama conversation
ngoba yabona lokho bengeka kushiya ngoba phela ku inline ngalezi zinto ayishoyo yeah ngoba lokho warrant awukazi ukusho
imagine
ngazi ukusho uyichazile impela nje ukuthi fight back nje and I'm sure now umonisha phela ngoba uyamazi awuqala ukumazi manje ukuthi kuzoba ne fight back la mawuzazi uclean amaphoyisa azokujijibeza.
Yeah, because that's what they're going to do. Abantu mase befuna ukusurvive nabazothi we can't go down again. So that is my only worry. But nokulungile.
Ngizoma explainela mhlambe ke mayise yithola nazo lezi zinto mhlambe uzokuthinta.
hayi ngizozwa ngaye mina
sizozama ukuthi uthini then nami mase ngimbonile mhlambe ngizokubrief
yabona namanje ngisasho ngithi the biggest thing that I've been talking about angekho umuntu ofuna ukuyilalela kuze namhlanje eyokuthi abantu be-intelligence make batholakala benze into wrong akumelanga bathathwe departmentally kumele basuswe kwi-crime intelligence bawubekwa somewhere else because they are used to all these dirty things that is going to create a problem for the organization. For instance, bantu banema-access ama-secret estate as an example, whether uKhan, whether uMuji, whether ubantu se-Cape Town
Otiyo
kunezinto ababa-involve ngazo during their line of operations othola ukuthi zi-involva ne-leadership political izinto abangathi mase be-desperate ukuthi thina we can't go down alone bagcine sebezi-expose ngayisho kudala le namanje ngisayisho ukuthi abasuswe one moment ethi umuntu wenza into wrong then liqhama ku-IPD le-recommendation yabo khanda ayiqhama ku-IPD okay i-IPD siqhame nento so ndoda sekususa sokubeka somewhere else by so doing even the departmental thing yakhona must just die webona umshifta kwi-department emaphoyiseni usuke kwenye or umsuse emaphoyiseni ukuze kwi-department yazi ukuthi umdluli ngaba elishe la kanjani into khona
wenza njani
kanjalo usithola anto usithola lokungena nje umdluli kunale scandal esikhona ngesiphele yenza so lo muntu uthanda upresident umthatha umthatha ukuthi akarizane emaphoyiseni umarranjele kwi-state security ukuthi kumfake kwi-secret operation ye-state security ayosebenza as an agent. By so doing upresident uzobahave ukuthi still around ne-public ibehave ukuthi akasekho emaphoyiseni betwa depend kumdluli bamsusa kanjani njengoba eventually-ke igcine sengene ejele so nala it's the same thing ngisho bonke labantu abafisa ama-disciplinary steps kwi-crime intelligence bengamelanga bathathwe bengafanele ukuthi mase kuthola evidence ukuthi kune-misconduct so kuthiwa umuntu akasuswe angaphelelwa umsebenzi asuswe whether ususelwa la emaphoyiseni or usuka kwi-defense intelligence usuka kwi-state security laba basamdinga bangamthoba sangamsebenzisi in other field bayabona nje mina personally ngiyazi relationship ukhana nayo no-Julius ngiyayazi ukuthi how close are they ukuyetafuleni was not by mistake yabona so umbuzo ekutheni-ke obani aba-influenzayo bangabe se-face of music and usupport ubani for i-defense yakhe badefende umuntu efanele bamdefende yini bese kuzoba usibiya nawe benezakhe Easter une-history yakhe naye kwafa abantu eZimbabwe lapha kuthiwa rendition ngemva yabo usibiya
hayi ngengane
so ziningi inkinga ezikhona so into ebalulekile nje ukuthi mina okwami ukuthi boss umdala akadile nepolicy. Remember national commission appointwe upresident akaphothwanga uyena ile sometimes bebuyifa cause of frustration kuma ministers because we expected the president akathatha action against the national commission phela ngayithathi yabona nje uPierre way pain kunhleko serious pain because uyabona uZuma uyazi uPierre befika ngesikhathi athanda kufika ngaso meeting upresident uminister afika uPierre asiqhamukele isikhathi sakhe without to apologize.
Can you imagine?
And there's nothing a minister could do. President Bonga. There's nothing you could do. So, but nonetheless, if umuntu wenza performance yakhe, focus mostly on doing his performance agreement. You must fight crime. It's your own problem. You must fight crime. You must make sure you have a clean audit. You know, that's a high level. Focus on zona kakhulu. Ngiyabemtreka bemlethe entweni operationals ukuthi akabhali incwadi. Angazi ukuthi respond izohamba kanjani, but le ncwadi le way epublicizwa ngakhona njengamanje kodwa bheka yonke imidi khuluma ngayo.
Ngibonile.
Lo muntu uselivini uzokuba mhla 13. Njengoba eselivini le ncwadi kwimida akayithole nesandleni. Izofikela ku-acting. And acting yakwazi acting ku-action aleletha.
Yeah, ngoba uya-acta phela.
Manje lo uzoyithola abe sethatha this whole leave period discussa nabantu abathile ukuthi udila kanjani ngayo. So sizothina so sale silinde sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani kham le 13 mayibuye.
Ukuthi uresponda kanjani? Esomuzi uzothini ngoba vese ibhalelwe yena.
Ebhalelwe yena. But ebalekile so mina nje bengikhuluma nawe ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi niyazana nomdala. Before the post. And I expect ukuthi umdala uzofuneka kulalele uma ukhuluma. Especially in the voice. Ngoba manje ngasakulaleli kuzona problem. Ngisho ngaze ngimtshela last time ngithi awuyona administrator nalo ibhomba kanye nabantu amafile. Akakubuza ngecase docket uma efuna ukwazi ukuthi kwazakala. Then ngizomtshela ukuthi le mase ungena kuyona kanje izogcina utshantsha defeating. Then ukhuluma ngedocket ke la. Ngefield yakho. Lezi mina kamancane ngazicela. And makuthi unalo trust nayo ko because bana mam agenda abo nako ungawazi tabani kumuntu because uqhamuka ku Scorpion. So I'm sure umuntu usazibona director of public prosecution in the country. I'm sure usazibona lapho le position people.
Hey my dad.
You won't be surprised ma ukuthi is working towards that. Kodwa ku-right.
Hayi noku-right ngizokuthinta mhlawumbe sengimbonile ke ngizwe nami ukuthi i-view yakhe ithini.
Alright, sure.
Okay, sure.